Once again, good afternoon, dear students. Through two consecutive videos, I tried to present about the rise of Hitler. Since his early life to become the chancellor, to reach on the chancellorship, the highest status in the cabinet of Germany, then how Nazism, how Hitler became the mass movement, this was also clear. Now, dear students, Hitler was very ambitious. Even he was the chancellor, he was the elected ruler of the Germany, but he was very ambitious. He wanted to become the dictator of Germany. In this direction he started to do work. Gradually, he started to dismantle the democracy. Gradually, Hitler started to dismantle the democratic setup of Germany. Even in beginning, he was the democratic ruler. But he started to disrupt the democratic setup of Germany, and gradually he started to concentrate the powers in his hand. This was the main strategy. Then, destruction of democracy. How did Hitler dismantle? This is the question. How did Hitler dismantle the democracy in Germany? This is the question. How did he dismantle? How did he disrupt? How he shadowed out the democratic setup in Germany? This is the first, dear student. First of all, in 28 February 1933, an event was conspired. In German parliament, a fire was exercised. German parliament में आग लगा दिया गया. अब this was the Hitler's people who did that job. But after that event, the fire event, in the German parliament, Hitler suspended all the civil rights of the Germany. And he also suspended all the political parties, and he declared null and void all the political parties in the Germany, except of Nazi and their allies. It means, right? Very simply you try to understand. He first, he suspended civil rights due to fire events in parliament. This was conspired. Hitler's people did that work, but he was searching the means to suspend the civil rights in Germany. First. Second, how did he dismantle the democratic setup? You come to know. Second, he declared all the political parties null and void, escaped of Nazi and its allies. What was that strategy? Either communist, socialist, Democrats, none could contest the election escaped of Nazi. Now you think that was the uniparty system was established like China. The democratic setup was being eroded. Try to understand. If only Nazi party could contest the election and not others. So that was. And third means how did he dismantle the democracy? Try to understand. The famous Enabling Act. Famous enabling 1933. Dear student, this act was a very big shift in the German polity. By this act, all the parliamentary intervention were sidelined. Parliament could not intervene in the decision making of the chancellor, and Hitler totally disconnected the parliamentary intervention in the German polity. Try to understand. Totally disconnected. Famous Enabling Act. This is the fourth point. Note it down. The famous Enabling Act. He taken all the powers, decision-making powers in his hands, and he sidelined the German parliament. This one. And next measures he taken. This was he organized special polishing, special secret police. Who were the like that, dear student? SA, SD, Gestapo, SA, SD, Gestapo. They were the special police organized by the Nazi government. These police, they were very having surveillance over the opponents of Nazi party. Anyone deviated from the line of Nazi, they could be arrested and they could be tortured. And through these measures, Hitler dismantled the democratic setup of Germany. This was. Now you come to know, even he dismantled. But dear student, from here, after the famous Enabling Act, the Hitler became the dictator of Germany. He became the whole and soul of Germany. He became the sole decision makers of Germany, and no one could intervene. But dear student, now I am going to explore about the reconstruction. How Hitler, after taking all the powers in his hand, he started to convert Germany in a strong nation. What he promised. But dear student, he was really, it was his strategy to seduce the German people. First, he appointed a very active finance minister. He was Haselmer Skat. Haselmer, who was he? Haselmer Skat. He was the finance minister of Hitler, and he invented full production and full employment. What idea? Given the idea of full production, full employment, and work creation program. आपने मनरेगा का नाम सुना होगा कि हाउ द गवर्नमेंट गिव द गारंटी टू गिव द एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू द रूरल वर्कर. सिमिलरली फुल प्रोडक्शन, फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम. तो थ्रू दिस प्रोग्राम जर्मन सुपर हाईवे व्हाट डेवलप, जर्मन सुपर हाईवे व्हाट डेवलप, हाईवे व्हाट डेवलप, and after that Volkswagen. That was a people's car. This was also there. By this, Hitler, he tried to establish, and by the invention of this cheap car, low purchasing power, this was Hitler and Nazi government. They wanted to justify that lower middle class German could manage the car. So this was the strategy how Hitler adopted, dear student, and he became very ambitious. And in 1938, he on his foreign policy, I will explain in the next video. So thank you, student, how Hitler dismantled the democracy and how he organized the reconstruction program. So through this video we also hopeful you could understood. Thank you very much.